Most people assume that getting that soft, chewable ice requires a massive, built-in appliance. But the Euhomy Nugget ice maker changes that math for small kitchens. It is not the only way to get pebble ice, but it solves the problem of constant store runs for bagged ice. So before you buy, the thing to check is your available counter space. You are likely looking at the Euhomy Countertop Nugget ice maker because you want that specific texture for cocktails or sodas without the bulk of a full-size unit. Imagine you are hosting a dinner and realize halfway through that the ice bucket is empty. You reach for the Euhomy Countertop Nugget ice maker and wait. Because it is ready in 7 minutes, you aren't waiting for a defrost cycle or a delivery. This speed is the whole point for the kind of person who hosts often. This Nugget ice maker is built around a specific engineering choice. Instead of producing hard cubes, it focuses on a soft, crunchable texture. The machine uses a 1.1L water tank to feed the process, which means you have to stay somewhat close to the machine to keep it topped off. It produces up to 35 pounds of pebble ice every 24 hours, providing a steady supply for a small household or a small office. Using it is straightforward. There is a single ice button, which means you don't have to navigate a digital menu just to get a drink cold. For the kind of person who wants to stop thinking about this category, the automatic deep cleaning is the actual standout. You just hold the clean button for 5 seconds to start the cycle, which eliminates the tedious manual scrubbing that usually comes with small appliances. There is a limit to what this machine can do though. This is a compact device with dimensions of 11 by 9.1 by 12.6 inches. While it fits on most countertops, it is not an infinite resource for a large party. If you are hosting 50 people, you will outgrow the capacity quickly and should move to a larger, dedicated ice machine. But for most people, that ceiling is never reached. I should mention that the manufacturer's listing is quite optimistic about the endless supply. While it produces 35 pounds every 24 hours, that is still a finite amount of ice. Careful buyers should check the tank capacity first, as the 1.1L tank means you are refilling it more often than you might expect. So, is it worth it? It comes down to whether you value convenience over capacity. If you want pebble ice without a permanent installation, this is a practical choice. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.